guys, welcome back to my channel. As most of you know, we are located in Toronto, Canada, and we have very few sunny days here in Toronto, and we want to make the most of it. I am exploring weight training and exploring all the amenities at our newly joined clubhouse. So come along, and also let me know in the comment section if there is any specific type of workout that you've been doing and I should try it out. Hi guys, I am all ready to hit the gym and we are just gonna grab a pre-workout snack before we head out, and I wanted to share that with you. So here's what we've got. There's some boiled beets with a little bit of lemon squeezed in, salt and pepper, banana and some nuts. Also have eggs boiling on the stove right now, and we might get a black coffee share, one black coffee between the two of us. Egg boil is here. There's also one thing that I do in the morning is have my vitamins, because eating food isn't enough. So I take my calcium, magnesium, vitamin D3, iron, and that's all. That's all I've been taking recently. It keeps changing every 2-3 months. So let me have these quickly. And we are good to go. Wait a second, this is in our building, a full-on library and multi-purpose type of a room.
And a foosball table.
A foosball table, but like just look at the books. It's crazy. They have a library Wi-Fi password also, so we can come in here, Rahul, and work from here sometime. Because I like a lot of like sitting area as well. Has a nice view too. But like just look at the books. I can come here and sit and read too. Ignore the way I look. So here's what happened. We went to the gym and decided we'll go to the Indian grocery store to get some, tidbits. I decided why not I show you things that we bought from the Indian grocery store. This is not the No Frills is not the Indian grocery store that we went to. It's just the bag that we use. First things first, Uncle Chips, Lay's, Magic Masala. Obviously got Maggi. Rahul loves this one. 50-50 Maska Chaska. Full disclaimer, this isn't a healthy grocery haul. This is purely Indian snack specific haul. Malai kulfi, mango kulfi, milk bikis. I think Rahul put this in the cart because I don't remember putting it in the cart. Soya sticks. I love those. Tasty nuts. Looking for hajmola but couldn't find it. And then found this one. It's the Anardana Goli. When we were kids and we would fly Jet Airways, they would give those imli candies, which I love. So Karachi biscuits. I got some beans because they look at how fresh they look. Aloo bhujia. Oh my god, there's just so much snacks. Punjabi tarka. Vegetable noodles. Hi, this is present day Vishaka who is editing the video right now and realized that in the middle of my very motivating week of workouts video, I am showing you my Indian snack haul, which is a lot of calories and a lot of junk food. But I have decided not to delete it and keep it because, hey, let's be honest and transparent. We all have our late night sesh and we all give in every once in a while. And I do want to be transparent that we try to have a sustainable plan. We work out, but we also enjoy our food and snacks. And yeah, that's who we are. And so let's go back to the video now. बारिश का मौसम, मूंगफली and this view.
This breath will be your anchor and keep you rooted in the present moment, awake and energized.
My mommy.
Please stop. How's the food?
I approve.
Nice. So cold.